Adjusting the recipe, a guide to flexibility in cooking and life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's as much about cooking as it is about life: adjusting the recipe. This concept is not just about changing ingredients in your cooking but also about adapting to various situations in life. Let's dive in to understand its meanings and applications. Remember, flexibility and adaptability are key themes here. When we talk about adjusting the recipe, we're referring to the process of making changes or tweaks to a cooking recipe. This could mean altering ingredients due to dietary restrictions, availability, or personal taste preferences. It's about using what you have or prefer to achieve a similar or improved outcome. This concept encourages creativity and experimentation in the kitchen, highlighting that recipes are not set in stone but starting points for exploration. Beyond the kitchen, adjusting the recipe metaphorically speaks to the idea of being adaptable in life's various situations. Life often throws unexpected challenges our way, and being able to adjust our plans or strategies is crucial for overcoming obstacles and reaching our goals. Whether it's altering our career path due to changing interests or modifying our daily routines in response to new circumstances, flexibility is a valuable skill. 1. In cooking, discovering you're out of olive oil and using avocado oil instead. 2. In work, adapting a project approach due to feedback or new insights. 3. In personal goals, changing your exercise routine because of an injury or time constraints. Each of these examples demonstrates the practical application of adjusting the recipe, showing how a flexible mindset can lead to successful outcomes despite changes or challenges. Understanding and applying the concept of adjusting the recipe is vital for personal growth and success. It teaches us to be resilient, creative, and open-minded. Embracing change rather than fearing it can lead to new opportunities and experiences that we might have missed otherwise. It's a lesson in problem-solving and innovation, both in the kitchen and in life. We hope this video has illuminated the rich meanings behind adjusting the recipe and inspired you to embrace flexibility in all areas of your life. Whether you're tweaking a dish to better suit your taste or altering your life plans to fit new circumstances, remember, the ability to adjust is a strength, not a compromise. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay flexible and keep experimenting, both in the kitchen and beyond.